Hello everyone, my name is Jarrett Morrison. I am a master's student here at Iowa State in the Department of Civil, Construction, and Environmental Engineering. I'm working with Dr. Lu Liu here on campus, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about our research of enhancing the resilience of Houston's wastewater system under wet weather using emerging technologies. So the study area that we will be looking at is the Houston, Texas area. And in 2017, we observed a hurricane that devastated much of Texas, and specifically the Houston area. As a part of that, we observed many of the wastewater treatment facilities flooding, and as such, they were failing in their conditions and not able to meet our regular standards. And so that's part of the project here, is to use emerging technologies to, one, model what was going on in this flooding event, but also to see if we can enhance the resilience of these emerging technologies. So our objectives are quite simple. Well, we were working with Howard and Rice University on this project, where we used membrane biofilm reactors in order to, one, observe how those emerging technologies can affect a wastewater treatment plant, and also to observe how that looks under wet weather conditions. Our goal in this part of the project, Dr. Liu and I are working on creating a whole system level where we're modeling the entire wastewater system of Houston, Texas, and using those emerging technologies, biofilm reactors, in order to improve the resilience. That is the goal of what we were trying to do. So overall, what we are expecting to see is a performance curve similar to this, where we have our constituents such as nitrates that we naturally have removed in our wastewater treatment plants. And we'll see that under wet weather conditions, when they were failing, a lot of these wastewater treatment plants were not meeting the appropriate amount of removal. And so we see this dip in removal rates, and then it slowly returns back to normal. What we want to see with implementing these emerging technologies is that we decrease the amount of reduction, decrease that level of dip, and also improve our recovery time. So that way we can measure the resilience of using emerging technologies in this case.